First line contains t number of test cases. The description of the test case is follows. Each test case contains three lines. The first line contains n and xy values. Second line contains n space integers of array A, and next line contains n space integers of array B. Okay, let us come to the test case 1. The array A values are 951 and the x and y values are 2 and y. Suppose if we choose 9 and 1, then the expected output will be 11, 10, 3, because we will increase the 9 value by 2 times and the 1 value with 2. X and y values are 2 and 5. The resultant array is 11, 10, 3. So the answer is yes. It matches with the given B array. The next array is 951. The chosen elements are 951 and the xy values are same, 2 and 5 only. Expected output would be 11, 7, 3. So the answer is yes. Each element is incremented by 2. The array is the same and the x and y values are also same. There is no subset that can be chosen so that the expected output would be 11, 7, 7. If we choose a subset and increase its value by x, the resultant output cannot be 11, 7, 7. So the answer is no. Thank you.